Africa Unite hosted a dialogue to discuss the white paper on citizenship, migration, and refugee protection in South Africa. This document aims to provide you with the necessary knowledge to make informed decisions before January 19th, 2024 submission deadline.
There's a white paper, and that white paper is on citizenship, is on immigration and refugee, and the Home Affairs, which introduced this paper.
Hi, my name is Talita and I am one of the members of NORS. I'm here to find out what is the white paper dialogue about and to also learn a bit more about what's going on.
Hello, my name is Lesconi. I'm from Mars, and today my expectations are to learn about the white paper, talk about the issues and the implications that us refugees face through, and I'm from Congo.
Dr. Callixte explained the proposed changes in the White Paper of 2023. The key recommendations involve the establishment of new entities, including the Refugee Protection Division, the Immigration Board, and an Immigration Court or Tribunal. These entities are intended to streamline and enhance the adjudication process for refugee and immigration cases, providing a more robust and efficient system for assessing claims. Additionally, the paper suggests the relocation of the Refugee Reception Office to borders or ports of entry to facilitate quicker and more accessible processing. Following the presentation, participants were encouraged to actively engage by posing questions and seeking further clarification.
And this is something which is very pertinent and very important for us to really digest it and break it down. I think it's not something for us to run away from it, because these are really touching us. These are the crux of the matter, and we have to use any opportunity to actually get it broken down to us. I want to start by saying thanking Doc for this eye-opener of a presentation, and to say, looking at South Africa, the context of South Africa, even going to the anthem. The anthem says, Kosi Sikelele Africa. I think they have to start questioning that.
How do we comment on this? What's the procedure?
I'm a Burundian national, a refugee granted the status since from 2000, so I'm about 23 or more years.
I see there are still opportunities or chances to make influence, and keeping the Department of Home Affairs at the center. I see unheard voices from below, like immigrants themselves, locals, CSOs, and university research outputs. And I also see some institutions from above, like lawyers, courts, parliament, or even international and continental institutions like the African Union and the UN. So my question is how to bring these two together, the unheard voices from below and those who have the capacity from above, so that they can influence at least the process.
In the midst of a serious discussion, participants managed to infuse the process with a touch of humor and optimism. This showing their positive attitude and character.
Okay, I'm Lumumba Chia. I am one of the coordinators of Amazonian community in Cape Town, and I also do some work with the South African-led refugee network. Knowing what is going on, and with the issue of the white paper from Home Affairs, and Doctor breaking it down has been an eye-opener, because with a lot of legal jargons, it throws most of us under the bus. We don't really understand what is he talking about. But him really breaking it down with the presentation has gone a long way to open my eyes and others, and I will take it back to my community so that we should engage with this issue in order to see what we can do about it, because we have a contribution to make towards this new development regarding the white paper?
My name is Messi Dube, prefer to be called Dogozodo. I'm a co-convener for Global South Against Xenophobia, and I'm also in the Media Commission for Tusimame Wanewake, that is movement for migrant women. Today was very informative because, when you read things that have got legal jargon, you're kind of like, okay, I don't know how to break this. What are they trying to say? So it was nice having somebody to break down to you what the white paper on Immigration and Refugees Act would mean.
Good afternoon, my name is Joseph Misekapu. I'm born and raised here in Cape Town, but I'm natively Congolese. What I took from the session of today is that there's a lot of rights that are being looked past, that a lot of immigrants that don't know, so they are being taken advantage of. And the good thing about this lesson is the fact that each and every single immigrant or foreigner or whatever can take lessons and learn about their rights so that they can't be taken advantage of.
In conclusion, the attendees were encouraged and motivated to make submissions and comments to the Department of Home Affairs, as well as to spread awareness on how the white paper will affect the livelihoods of many refugees, migrants and asylum seekers living in South Africa.